Beam Wallet. If you've looked into this platform, you've probably had one main question: can you use a debit card? The answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no, and it depends on what you're trying to do. So, let's break it down. There are a couple of different services that go by the name Beam Wallet. One is the Beam Mobile Payment and Rewards app, popular in places like the Middle East and parts of Asia. This app is designed to replace your physical wallet, and yes, it absolutely accepts debit cards. You can link your Visa or MasterCard debit card to the app to make contactless payments at participating stores. It's built for convenience and security, and your card information is never actually stored on your phone. Then there's the cryptocurrency side of things. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. If you're looking to buy or trade the Beam coin, you can use various crypto wallets and exchanges. Many of these platforms, such as Binance, Kraken, and others, allow you to purchase Beam directly using a debit or credit card. They've made the process simple, just like any other online purchase. You enter your card details, complete a quick verification, and the Beam coins are delivered to your wallet. So, if you're talking about the digital payment app, yes, it's designed to work with debit cards. And if you're looking to get into the Beam cryptocurrency, major exchanges and wallets do accept debit card payments for that as well. It's all about choosing the right service for your needs.